Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue building this Tamiya DT-04 Fighter NXGEN kit, and we're getting very close to the end. Today we're going to work on the rest of the chassis, kind of the roll cage and a couple panels, and we're going to put the decals on. And then in the last video, we're going to put together the tires and put it onto the buggy. So let's get started. We're going to need a few pieces here. I know we are going to need this one and also this one. And we also need this piece right here, M2. I think it's going to be this right here. All right. So I had a chance to gather all the screws and pins that we need. Let's start over here. So if you notice, it says to trim off the little excess plastic that was part of the tree, and I did that already. And now we're going to take the top roll cage and then we're going to set it on top of this. And there's going to be two screws. It's going to meet it here and here, so let's do that. And that screw is going to be MA4s, which is going to be the darker screws. It's going to be this right here. You grab the screwdriver. All right. And then let's take this MC7, which is this flathead screw. And then we need this piece, which is going to be on top. And this piece, which is going to be on the bottom. I think we're going to come through here like that. And then I think they're both going to start in this orientation. Okay, and now we need to set these two grub screws, these two right here, into that hole and leave about 1 millimeter from the bottom. Let's see. All right, so we have both. And now we're going to start putting some of these pins in here. So we have these kind of pins with the flat top. We got two of those. And it's going to go one on each side. And then one of them is going to lock this in. So let's take a look. So I think it's going to be something like this. Does that look right? Okay. Oh, that locked in. And then this is going to go through here. Like that. And then we're going to put a pin right there. And it's going to be this round one. So that's where the round one goes. All right. And now these two square head ones are going to lock in right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. One on each side. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it works pretty well. It works. This locks. Yeah, I can feel it. That's pretty neat. Okay, So the building part of today's video is done. We're going to start putting on the rest of the decals. So let's do that. All right, we got all the decals cut out, and I actually started with this right here. It should have been done quite a few steps ago, but I didn't decide the color, so I went ahead and did that. And let's try to find the lowest numbers. So 1, 2 is right here, so it should be this one, or is it the other one? Let's see. I feel like it should be this one. Yeah. So it should be like this. So I think it follows the bottom and then kind of does that. Okay. So let's see. Get some help. So I cut out a small corner so I can get it started. DT-04 chassis. There we go. Okay, and I think now we're done. I'm not going to put on the number because I still have to take this off to figure out the ESC situation. But I have chosen number 8. I can probably do it on this side, but I'm not going to. We'll just figure it out later. This didn't come out as well as I hoped it would. Okay, so today we added the roll cage and a couple, this piece right here. We did all the decals and we knocked off one of the antennas, but I'm not going to even have an antenna, so I don't really bothers me. But that's it. And then the next video we're going to put together the tires and then put them onto the buggy itself. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you're building along, I appreciate clicking that like button. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.